So here we have the 15-minute time frame of POWT, and this chart's pretty interesting for a potential trade on Monday. But I should, just start off by saying, if you're not a disciplined trader or are pretty new, you should probably stay away from this one. But for the experienced people, there may be a little play here. The first thing to point out is, as you can see, the chart, made this gigantic move. A big market email went out on it, market awareness, so there was lots of eyes on it, and the thing really rocketed and made, or I should say presented a lot of opportunity to make some money. And then today was just the exact opposite. You can see this big move here, and then today almost a mirror image, except just in the reverse way, just right back down. But what I've noticed pulling up the chart, and the reason I picked the 15-minute is it does a good job of showing, is we're right down here next to a potential bounce spot. And keep in mind, potential. I'm not guaranteeing any bounces or anything like that. But if we look at what's going on here, and the first thing is this orange line, which is the 200 period simple moving average, and you can see the price is technically below it, but still right in this area right here. So supports and resistances aren't exact specific prices, they're more of zones. So I would still consider this candle right here in this zone of the 200-day. And then on top of that, we have, for you gap players out there, the top of this gap was at 0.063. The close today was at 0.062. So once again, right here around this area, let me change this to green to represent a support area. So you can see right here, basically this orange line, the 200 period, and then the support level based off of the gap, sitting right here together, the price right down in that area. So from a risk versus reward standpoint, very attractive. But once again, if you can't honor stop losses and all that, and don't know when to get out, then certainly this one's not for you. But I wouldn't be surprised to see some sort of bounce. You can see here going into the final 15 minutes, bigger volume, and it's not like the price fell apart or anything like that. So big volume, had kind of a nice little doji candle here. So Monday morning could be pretty interesting to see what happens with that. It could just continue this downward slide, but that's what the point of stop losses are for. Or if you get a bounce, then it could be a pretty profitable opportunity for you. So not really much to say besides, I've never seen well, I shouldn't say that, but this chart had such a good looking candle yesterday, and then today it was basically just destroyed. But the day traders and bottom feeders, whatever you want to call yourself, this could potentially be a nice looking play on Monday. So put it on your radar. And like I said, if you're new or aren't disciplined, you'd want to stay away from it. But if you know how to play these sorts, there is an interesting setup here given where the price closed relative to these other support levels. So if there are any questions, please shoot me a message. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your subscription, you get charts set up to trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was POWT. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.